Come test drive the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.